Hello everyone, this is Varun from Phone Arena, and here I have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra for a quick unboxing here. The device has gone on pre-order and was announced 2 days back. So you're going to be taking a look at the device. As you can see, the box is a little smaller. So let's delve into it and see what is inside the box or what's not inside the box. So the device we have here is a Phantom Black. Really looking forward to checking it out. And it's got 12 gigs of RAM, the all-new Exynos 2100 processor, which I'm looking forward to test, and the storage is a 256 gig variant. So this is actually a dual SIM variant for India, and it also has MST for Samsung Pay, unlike the global version. So let's open up the box and take a look. So as you can see on the box, it says 5G. So this is a 5G compatible device. So let's get rid of this plastic on the back and on the front, and you can see the Phantom Black in all its glory. Wow. So this is slightly heavy at about 220 grams, but fits really well in the hand, although it's a little bulky. The main story here is the cameras. So you have like 4 sensors on the back here, and you also have a kind of a cutout here for the lens. The camera lens arrangement. Beautiful feel. The black is something really impressive. And it's got a 6.8-inch screen on the front. It's an AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. And also, guess what? This display does support the S Pen. If you have one lying around, you can actually use it on the S21 Ultra. So this is the most premium offering from Samsung in this lineup. You have the S21, the S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. Coming about the accessories, you will not get a power brick this time. Samsung is also following the footsteps of Apple and also Xiaomi. So the biggest accessory you get is the Type-C cable and the SIM ejector pin. So you have the warranty card, the information about all that, and you only have the Type-C cable in the box, Type-C to Type-C. So if you are part of the Samsung Galaxy family, you might already have a supporting quick charger with you, adaptive fast charger, so you can use those. Does support really fast charging and wireless charging as well, in case you're looking at wireless charging. And you get the SIM ejector pin. So nothing else in the box. That's the reason it's smaller this time around. You don't have a power brick inside. So let's look at the camera specs. So the big story here is the main 108MP sensor from Samsung. So that's a wide angle sensor. You also have an ultra wide 12MP sensor. You also have laser autofocus here. And these are the zoom cameras. So you have 10MP sensor with 10x optical zoom at the bottom, and a 10MP camera with 3x optical zoom on the top. So using these both, you can go up to 100x zoom, which is crazy. Samsung calls it space zoom, and I've seen a lot of shots we've been taking with the zoom feature. It's incredible, and it's much improved from last year's S20 Ultra, which we played with as well. So quick note about the laser autofocus. Something we have found is that the autofocus is a lot better with the 108MP sensor this time around. It used to not be the case last year. There used to be a lot of delay, and the camera used to struggle a bit and hunt when we were trying to capture in 108MP. But this time around, the laser autofocus does seem to improve the capture time, and it doesn't hunt as much. So that's something which is a nice touch. Samsung has improved the camera department. These 2 sensors as well, the telephoto, are using dual pixel autofocus, so kind of transitions from 3x to 10x and 10x to 100x, very neatly done. And the zoom, so I think it's a much refined version of the S20 Ultra we saw last year, and also a slight refinement from the Note 20 Ultra as well. And so that's the story on the cameras. On the rear, on the front, you have a 40 megapixel camera for your selfies, which is like more than enough for most of your selfies. And other than that, it's got a 5000 mAh battery on the inside, which should be good. And it also supports wireless charging, USB fast charging. And so it's about 229 grams in terms of weight. Slightly chunky. If you are not a big fan of large, heavy phones, this is not for you. But if you want the best of the best in terms of specs, and you don't really care much about the weight, then this is the phone to get. And it's one of the best Android phones we've tested in a while, and it's running on Android 11 with the Samsung One UI 3.0, which is a much improved version of the Samsung UI, which wasn't as good until recent years. It used to be laggy and used to be very, very messy until the One UI 2.0. So with One UI 3.0, it's actually much improved, very clean UIs in the market. So that's in the software side. So this is the 12 gig of RAM, 256 gig variant. You also get 16 gig of RAM with the 512 gig variant. But overall, so this is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it supports 5G networks. Sadly, no 5G yet in India, but should be coming soon. But other than that, it's priced at about 1,05,999 is the MRP, but you should be able to snag one for cheaper with all the offers and cashback going around. So other than that, great first impressions for this device. I mean, really impressed with what Samsung has come out with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, let us know in the comments. And if you're getting one or planning to get one, let us know as well. And if you, in case you're not, let us know as well why you're not impressed by this device. And if you're from the other dark side, the iPhone side, like if you're using an iPhone 12 or you picked one on that series, also let us know. So what do you think? We'd love to hear your thoughts, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you guys in the next video. This is Varun signing off. Thanks for watching.